Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And most of you by now probably know that we are looking at retiring. Chris and I have, we've been working with everybody for quite a while, and it's just kind of like about time for us to start taking it a little easier. So we're not buying a lot of new inventory because we have some very cool stuff laying around here already, man. We got bucket trucks, dump trucks, sprinter vans, haulers, anyway, you get it. We got a lot of stuff. So we're not buying a lot, but when you see something this nice, you got to kind of step up. So this is a 2019 Ford F350 dually XL package. And it's got a 12-foot metal stake body on it. Love this. Look at this. I love those. I think those are so nice. Hey, this thing is super clean. Now, in all fairness, Jordan, we didn't do anything with the rails. These are the way they came, but these get chipped up. So we just resurfaced that. We just shot over that. There was no rust. There's nothing weird or dumb about it. And we just made it look pretty again because it is a 2019 and it should look like it, right? The decking on it is very good. Let me see if I can get in there for you. Wood decking, and if you look around there, yeah, there's no great big gaping holes or anything like that. Nice, nice, nice truck. As I say, it is a dually. It's a 1-ton. It's got a nice liftgate here, power liftgate. It's got the little step platform on it as well. So if you have to climb up these steps to take off the back of the rails to get in it, you got some place to stand. That's kind of a nice thing. Very simple operation. You got one little button right here, and we all know how it goes. Down is down, and up is up. I just always like to let you see for sure that everything does work on it. Nice, nice truck. As I say, it's got the metal gates on it, so you don't have to worry about that. And that is a reading body. That's about as good as it gets, guys, and that is a 12-foot. And such a nice little truck. And a 2019, so unless you go see the boys at the Ford dealer, you're not getting anything any cleaner than this, and I'm going to show you why in just a couple of minutes. Take a look at how this, look at this. Straight, straight, straight. Kind of hard to do this with one. Everything's there, jack is there. It's got a little fold-arm armrest on the side there. Glove box, vinyl flooring in it, locks, power windows. Air conditioning feels very good. It's a little warm today, and you just got a little fold-down armrest right there. So I'm going to get around to the other side over there so you can see this. Nice, nice towing mirrors on it. Got the extra wide mirrors for towing. It's got the tow hooks on it for towing out those other guys. You'd never get stuck, right? Nice. Little clearance lights all over the place because, again, reading makes probably one of the best in the market. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. That's kind of cool there, too. Hey, the headlights are automatic. You can put it over there and you don't have to worry about it. Sound system works just fine. We're just going to turn it off. I don't need it. Air conditioning feels very good. Nice and cool. Very good. Look at the condition. Look at here. There's not a mark on this thing. It is like brand new. And I'm going to show you why right now. Look at this. Yep. Yep, you are reading that correctly. Under 15,000 miles, remarkable. Absolutely clean, straight. Heating, air conditioning works exactly the way it's supposed to work. You got a little thing down there to plug in extra music. That's a little 12-volt power supply right there. Sound system is right here. Phone ready. Turn off the flashes. We don't need them. Traction control. Oh, look at there, factory trailer brake controller, very nice. There's no trailer, that's why it says disconnected, because we just don't have a trailer hooked up to it right now. Hey, it's even got a little compass, didn't notice that before. Full gauge package and no check engine lights, and it is running, look at there. Such a nice little piece. It's got the smart steering wheel, so you got radio controls, you got Cruise controls here. You got the little controls here to check different things, you know, the settings and all that kind of good stuff. Such a nice unit right here. These two right here are the power supply for the liftgate on back. The other ones are just waiting for you to do something with them. Nice piece. Dome light, all that kind of good stuff. Such a nice truck. Super clean. There's more 12 volt right there. Such a super clean little truck. This is a 2019 Ford F350, and that has a GVW someplace at 14,000. So it's the heavy duty one ton dually on top of everything else. Nice solid piece. Hey, that's got the V8 gas motor in it, tow hooks, two-wheel drive, regular cab. Such a nice truck. Man, under 15,000 miles. Now you see why we just couldn't pass it up, right? Hey, check out the website on this thing, guys. I'll have everything written down, including the VIN number for you. And if you can use this truck, which you certainly can, you give me a call. I'm right here at HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, hey guys, we really appreciate you looking.